So today I'm bringing you this latest update from the Ashanti region of Ghana. The Prempeh, the first international airport, is finally progressing at a much needed pace. The remarkable progress at the airport has now reached its peak as Ghana is pushing forward with its ambitious infrastructural goals. The project currently stands as a beacon of development. The one-way extension is now at 90% completion, signaling that we are on the brink of a major transformation in air travel for the region. And note, once this is completed, international flights can now not just be relying on the Kutuka International Airport, but also the Prempeh, the first international airport, which was formerly the Kumasi International Airport. Now, before we get into the details, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, as I always bring you riveting information. Let's get straight into this one. The Phase 3 of the expansion of the Kumasi International Airport, which is currently the Prempeh, the first international airport, cost the nation 58.9 million investment. That's set to revolutionize the operations. And now, by extending the current runway from 1,981 meters to an impressive 2,320 meters, the project is on track for completion by December 2025, which tells us that very soon international flights will be flying into Kumasi and experiencing the rich cultures that the Kumasi metropolis has to offer, as well as being convenient for people flying straight to Kumasi without transiting in Accra. This upgrade will also allow for the handling of medium-sized aircraft, positioning Ghana as a stronger player in the regional aviation landscape. Now, the possibilities are large. Planes landing smoothly, carrying more passengers and cargo, also opening up to new routes that were previously out of reach due to the size limitations. The Transport Minister, Joseph Boakai-Yul, has shared a brilliant insight on how this expansion will be addressing the long-standing constraints in aircraft management and also international connections. The minister emphasized that these improvements are crucial for overcoming barriers that have long held Ghana's aviation potential back, ensuring that the airport can accommodate a wider range of flights and also foster greater connectivity. One of the most thrilling aspects of this project is the ability to support wide-body aircrafts like the Boeing 737-800. This means a significant boost in capacity, allowing for more efficient passenger services and cargo transport. The upgrades aren't just technical, they are also strategic, aimed at making Kumasi a hub that rivals even others in the West African sub-region, not just the country's capital, which is Accra. With the increased capacity comes the potential for more international airlines to consider Kumasi as a viable stop, which could lead to lower fares, more frequent flights, and a surge in tourism and business travel. The minister also had a perspective which highlights the ingenuity in planning these enhancements to directly tackle the limitations of the existing infrastructure. The vision underscores how such developments will expand the airport's role, turning it from a local facility into a dynamic center for regional and global interactions. The Kumasi International Airport, as at December 2025 this very year, is going to totally transform once the one-way upgrades are completed. In line with the government's latest innovative 24-hour economy initiative, the Prempeh, the first international airport, already began operations in July 1st, 2024, with extended nighttime hours. So it beckons to tell us that there will be more improvements and also longer operational times once this is completed. While the Tamale Airport sees an extension from 10 p.m. to 6 p.m., these changes are all designed to support the seamless business activities and efficient cargo movements around the clock. The minister also brilliantly pointed out that it will be enabling enhanced night operations, which will be a game changer for economic productivity. It aligns perfectly with the broader strategies to diversify Ghana's economy, making sure that the aviation infrastructure keeps pace with the country's development and the demands for modern non-stop marketplace. This forward-thinking approach ensures that the travelers and businesses will all benefit from greater flexibility and reliability in air services. The completion of Kumasi's extension will have immediate ripple effects on cargo and passenger services, linking Ghana's commercial heartland directly to international destinations. This isn't just merely an airport upgrade, it will be a catalyst for economic growth, drawing in investments and creating jobs in related sectors such as logistics, hospitality, and retail. From the regional standpoint, the project promises to enhance accessibility, agriculture, and also tourist investment to the Kumasi region and beyond. Historically, the area Kumasi has been a powerhouse of commerce, and this airport will also amplify this strength, positioning Ghana to compete more effectively in West Africa's beckoning air transport sector. Because with just one international airport, it is not feasible, but with multiple international airports, Ghana will soon become a hub that will be attracting travelers far and wide to Africa. The minister's insights also revealed a deep understanding of how aviation serves as an economic multiplier. He articulated that prioritizing such infrastructure, even amid the fiscal challenges, is essential for the long-term development of the nation. turning potential into tangible progress. Now, these announcements were made during the government's accountability series, showcasing aviation infrastructure as a clear measure of the administration's achievement, with specific timelines like the December 2025 completion. The government is setting transparent benchmarks for success, building public trust in the developmental agenda. So, with this dual focus on modernization through the project, like the Prempeh the First International Airport, it reflects a strategic vision for Ghana's transportation sector. It's more about the airport and also about weaving a network that supports the domestic needs while elevating our international standing. So looking ahead, the Prempeh the First International Airport, which is nearing completion, will be heralding a new era for Ghana's aviation. As we approach the finish line, the benefits will extend to improved trade links, boosted tourism, and also enhanced connectivity for everyday Ghanaian. This project exemplifies how a targeted investment can drive national progress, and we are very excited to see the completion of this project becoming fruitful, making air travel more accessible and efficient in Ghana. The rapid advancement at the Prempeh the First International Airport is a testament to Ghana's determination to soar higher. What are your thoughts on the acceleration of the completion of the runway extension at the Prempeh the First International Airport? And what do you think are this airport's benchmarks that will be met? Let me know in the comment section below. Be sure to hit the like button to support this channel, as I always bring you insightful information and also to inform others as well. Subscribe if you haven't to stay tuned. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check this next video out.